If you spend long hours sitting, choosing the right chair can make a big difference for your comfort and health. The best desk chairs for posture provide excellent lumbar support, ergonomic design, and lasting comfort to maintain proper alignment. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. GABRYLLY Posture Desk Chair. The GABRYLLY Posture Desk Chair is a well-rounded ergonomic option designed to support long hours of sitting while maintaining healthy posture. Built with 4 key support points – head, back, hips, and hands, this chair provides proper lumbar support that adjusts easily for individuals ranging from 5'5" to 6'2". Its spacious 6.5 QT mesh seat offers superior comfort compared to many competitors, making it suitable for various body types, while the breathable mesh design prevents overheating during extended use. The chair's recline function allows flexible positioning between 90 and 120 degrees, enabling users to alternate between focused work and relaxation. One of its standout features is the adjustable flip-up armrests, which fold up 45 degrees to save valuable desk space when not in use. With a weight capacity of 400 pounds and durable construction, this chair offers excellent stability and reliability. Assembly is straightforward, typically taking only 15 to 20 minutes, and the included 5-year warranty gives added peace of mind. Smooth PU wheels ensure quiet, scratch-free rolling on wooden floors. Number 2. CAPOT Posture Desk Chair. The CAPOT Posture Desk Chair is a premium ergonomic option tailored for users who demand long-lasting comfort and structural reliability. Certified with BIFMA X51 standards, this chair boasts durability, making it ideal for professionals who sit over 8 hours a day. A standout feature is its micro-adjustable lumbar support, offering 8 levels of precision adjustment to align with the L1, L5 lumbar spine, reducing lower back pressure by up to 50%. Its enlarged AeroVith mesh cushion promotes airflow while enhancing support and minimizing pelvic strain, ensuring a cooler and more comfortable seating experience. The stainless steel base, combined with an SGS-certified gas lift, guarantees both strength and stability, safely supporting up to 400 pounds. Flexibility extends to the headrest and backrest, with adjustable angles between 90 degrees, 110 degrees, and 125 degrees to suit work or relaxation modes. Number 3. XISHE Posture Desk Chair. The XISHE Posture Desk Chair is designed to provide an affordable yet effective ergonomic solution for everyday use. With its 3.5-inch thickened sponge seat cushion, this chair prioritizes comfort and resilience, making it ideal for individuals who spend long hours working or studying. The PU leather seat surface is smooth, skin-friendly, and easy to clean, while the breathable mesh back ensures proper airflow to prevent sweating during extended sitting sessions. The S-shaped backrest design naturally conforms to the spine, promoting correct posture and reducing strain on the waist and back. Additionally, the lumbar support can be adjusted up and down, allowing users to customize comfort and focus on tasks without discomfort. Height adjustability ensures it accommodates various user heights, with a seat height range of 17.72 to 22.44. A tilt rocking function also allows users to transition smoothly between working and resting modes. Built with durability in mind, the chair has passed SGS and BIFMA certifications, with a sturdy frame that supports up to 300 pounds. Number 4. BESTFAIR Posture Desk Chair. The BESTFAIR Posture Desk Chair offers a blend of ergonomic support and modern design, making it a versatile addition to any workspace. Its standout feature is the targeted lumbar support, which aligns with the natural curve of the spine to reduce back pain and encourage proper sitting posture. The high back design includes a separately adjustable lumbar section that actively supports the waist, making long hours at a desk more manageable. A breathable mesh back combined with a thick, soft cushion ensures comfort by preventing overheating and relieving pressure during extended sitting periods. The chair's adjustable features allow for tailored comfort, with seat height adjustments ranging from 16.6 to 20.5, a flexible 4.3-inch headrest that rotates up to 30 degrees, and a tilt tension mechanism allowing recline between 90 degrees and 135 degrees. Flip-up armrests save valuable floor space by letting the chair slide neatly under the desk when not in use. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, it offers durability and stability for a wide range of users. Number 5. Seek Fancy Posture Desk Chair. The Seek Fancy Posture Desk Chair is built to deliver comprehensive ergonomic support tailored to individuals who spend long hours at their desks. Designed for users between 5'2" and 6 tall, it provides 4-point support for the head, back, hips, and hands, ensuring full body alignment. The chair's standout feature is its 4-way adjustable lumbar support, allowing precise positioning up, down, forward, and back to alleviate pressure and encourage healthy posture. Complementing this is a 2D adjustable headrest that enhances neck support, reducing strain during prolonged work or gaming sessions. Its breathable mesh back keeps airflow consistent, while the high-resilience cushion and adaptive backrest improve sitting comfort by reducing sweat buildup and pressure points. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.